Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your keyboard has dedicated volume keys or a function FN layer. That saves time. Once connected, USB or Bluetooth, make sure battery level is above 20% so keys respond reliably. Next, open your system audio settings and keep them visible. This helps you see the change in real time. Press the volume up key briefly to test. If nothing changes, hold FN and press the marked volume key. This toggles the alternate layer and activates the first control. Once you can change volume, refine control by using short taps for small increments, about 1–2%, and holding the key for a smooth ramp. If your system overshoots, open the OS mixer or your keyboard's companion software to set step size or enable quieter increments. You can also create a macro or remap keys to a different multiplier if you need finer granularity. Make sure to test with audio playing because visual meters lag versus perceived loudness, and you want precise feel. To finish, verify the volume behaves across music apps, video players, and system alerts. Remember, some apps use independent controls. Once done, save any custom key mappings in your keyboard software so changes persist. If keys stop responding, update drivers and firmware first because outdated software causes most issues. If that fails, repair Bluetooth or perform a factory reset on the keyboard. One key troubleshooting tip: if volume toggles erratically, check for a stuck FN key or conflicting hotkey software running in the background.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.